With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, 6 charge of magnitude plus q and minus q are fixed at the corner of a regular hexagon edge length A as shown in the figure. Electrostatic interaction energy of the charged particle. So if you see there is 6 charges, so how many pair will be there? If you select 2 charges at a time by naming them 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, so it will be 6 into 6 minus 1 by 2. So if you see this will be 3, so it is 15. There will be total 15 pairs. So if you see right now you are able to see there are 6 pair, we can already see adjacent charges, right? They are made up of adjacent charges. So if you see each adjacent charge have a charge of opposite polarity, plus minus, right? So because of the adjacent, if I write down the potential energy, it will be 6 into K. So if you see plus minus, so it will be Q square with a negative sign. Side length is A. So it is minus 6 KQ square by A. And if you see now, let's come to the next two adjacent like this. Next to adjacent. Next to adjacent. Again the same for this. Next to. So these charges. So you can see there are total number of side we made here 6, so there will be again 6 pairs that will form here, right? And if you see here, if I say this side length is A, right? So if you see here, if I drop a perpendicular here, side length is A and A, this angle will be 60 and 60, right? So it is A sine 60 and A sine 60. So it will be 2A sine 60, right? 2A sine 60, so it will be A root 3. Right, so side length of this two equilateral triangle that we formed here is A root 3. Alright, so if you see the positive, negative, it will be positive only, and there are 6 pairs, so we'll write down the potential energy. Because of them, it is 6 into KQ square. So if you see here, it is positive sign now. Negative. So it will be positive with positive sign, and in division we'll write down A root 3. A root 3, right? If you see, this is A and this is 60, so it will be A sine 60, so it will be A root 3. Alright, so as you got this, right, you can write down this is 3 into 2, so it will be 2 root 3. Now let's come to the last part. We already have seen the 6 is adjacent, 6 is next to adjacent, right? Now we are left with 3. So 3 will form because of the diametrically opposite charges like this. Diametrically opposite, just opposite, like these 3 pair, right? So if you see here, the length between the distance between these two, if you see, this will be a small equilateral triangle, right? If you see, this is a small equilateral triangle. So if you see here, this length will be A, so this is also A, this is also A, this is also A, so this is also A. So if you see, diametrically opposite point will have a distance 2A between them, and the sign here is opposite, plus minus. So there are 3 pairs now, so I will write down, if I say this is U1, U2 and U3, so there are 3 pairs now, K Q square with a negative sign by 2A, right? So this is 3 by 2 with a negative sign. Now just add them and you will get your answer, right? So just add them. So I will write down, if you see, this is 3 by 2 and this is 12 by 2, right? 12 by 2, 3 by 2, it will be 15 by 2. So 15 by 2, you can also open this k we know that it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So it will be 15 by 2 into 4, it is this, right? And we will take this kq square by a outside. So if you see, this is 2 root 3 by 4. So it will be root 3 by 2, right? 4 by 2 by 4, it will be half. Now we are left with, since we took this 4, we consume this 4 inside, it is this, and q square by. So just we added u1, u2 and u3, and we got q square by pi a epsilon naught into root 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 15 by 18. So you can see here D is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.